Are you tired of getting low views on TikTok? Or have you heard all about TikTok and have no idea where to start? In this short video, I'll tell you how I teach authors just like you how to make a full-time living on TikTok in just weeks. And I'll make it easy. My name is Kate Hall, and in the past 2 years, I have helped over 1,000 authors easily market their books using TikTok. When I started my own TikTok strategy, I went from making a couple $100s a month to several $1,000s a month just with doing TikTok part-time. And I knew that I couldn't keep this to myself. I had to share this with my author friends. Pretty soon, we were all making thousands of dollars a month, and instead of keeping this information to myself, I've decided to share it with you. Others might tell you that you have to write spicy romance books to succeed, or that you have to sing and dance to get views. Maybe you've even tried posting a few times or tried every strategy you can think of to get views on your content. Unfortunately, where most authors struggle is creating consistent content that sells books, which in turn makes for really disappointing royalties despite all of the work you've put in. However, it is not your fault that you've been struggling with TikTok. The truth is, there's an easier way. When you have a deeper understanding of the TikTok algorithm and using psychological marketing to get people to buy your books through TikTok, you're going to see a boost in sales. When you batch create beautiful content, post consistently, and learn to properly interact with your audience, you're going to start to see a massive shift, not only in your book sales, but in your mindset towards book marketing as a whole. Hint: it doesn't have to feel impossible or even really difficult. Lucy Eden, author of Everything's Better with Lisa, was seeing nominal sales with her books, but with a single viral video, she saw her income skyrocket to heights she had never even considered and had her best month of royalties simply because of one viral video. And using my methods, she has gone viral with views into the millions, which has, of course, increased her sales numbers and her book royalties. Lyra Winters, author of the Fate Hollow Academy series, saw her income double after she started implementing what I teach in this course. Nadia Hahn, author of The Mastermind, has had life-changing results from things that she learned in this course that you can implement today to change your marketing strategy. If you want to learn the steps that these authors have taken to boost their income, sign up for TikTok for Authors today.